Philistine kept coming closer to David, with his shield bearer walking in front of him. When the Philistine looked carefully at David, he despised him, for he was only a ruddy and handsome boy. The Philistine said to David,
"Am I a god that you are coming after me with sticks? Come here to me so I can give your flesh to the birds of the sky and the wild animals of the field."
But David replied to the Philistine in a very high-pitched voice. Got it. Here we go. "You are coming against me with the sword and spear and javelin?"
"You're coming against me with the sword and the spear and the javelin!"
"But I am coming against you."
"But I am coming against you!"
"In the name of the Lord of hosts."
"In the name of the Lord of hosts!"
"And the God of Israel's armies."
"The God of Israel's armies!"
"Whom you have defiled."
"Whom you have defied!"
Defied. You did it right, I did it right. That's good. "This very day the Lord will deliver you into my hand." Oh, you gotta do that. "This very day."
"This very day."
"The Lord will deliver you into
"The
my hand."
Lord will deliver you into my hand."
I was really nervous. The Philistine drew steadily closer to attack him, while David quickly ran toward the battle line to attack the Philistine. Yeah, okay. David reached into his hand into the bag and took out a stone. He began to sling it, and it struck the Philistine on the forehead. The stone sank deeply into his forehead, and he fell down, his face to the ground. Do that real slow, yeah. Like,
oh, come on.
Too late now.
I got too excited.
Here, do that. Excellent. Give him a hand. Good job, you guys. If that goes viral, let me know, okay?